Okay, welcome to CODJ. Now I'll explain to you about how to clean if your Weeper water is plugged or tersumbat. All we need is just this needle. You know, this is a needle, ordinary needle. And how to fix it? It's only clean like this on your Weeper. It's very simple. There's many plug in here, and we should clean like this here. Should clean like this, and the Weeper water flow will be okay. Like this, yeah. And you apply for the other one, this one, and look at that. It's very work. Look at that. Okay, it's okay, yeah. Look at that. Okay. If you think this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.